Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a charged watch, Bluetooth on your Android, and the correct app installed. Start the watch and follow its on-screen prompts to enter pairing mode. On your phone, open the Wear OS or vendor app and choose Pair. Once done, accept the pairing code shown on both devices to verify security. This initial connection sets up notification access, time sync, and basic permissions needed for apps and health data to work reliably. After pairing, you configure core settings to make the watch useful. Grant permissions for notifications, location, and calendar so alerts and workouts function correctly, and then customize the watch face and complications to surface the info you use most. Next, install companion apps, music, fitness, and contactless payment, so the watch can operate standalone. Make sure to sync health data and adjust notification filters. This prevents overload and ensures the watch only buzzes for what's important to you. Finish by syncing accounts and enabling automatic updates to keep apps and firmware current. This reduces future compatibility issues. Test core functions. Make a call, receive a notification, and record a short workout to confirm sensors and connectivity. If something fails, like no notifications or intermittent sync, first reboot the phone and watch, then check permissions in the Android app. If problems continue, unpair and repair the device. That often clears persistent pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.